What if joy wasn't just something you feel, but something you could follow? Most of us are taught to chase happiness, meet expectations, or just keep pushing through. But what if you could use joy as your compass instead? This guide, Joy as GPS, was created for exactly that. It's not about forcing positivity or pretending everything's okay. It's about learning to recognize what feels alive, aligned, and true for you. Because joy isn't always loud. Sometimes it's quiet. Like choosing rest over rushing, or noticing something small that makes you feel like yourself again. Inside the guide, you'll find tools to recognize what really brings you joy, reflective questions to reconnect with what matters, gentle challenges to help you choose joy more often, science-backed insights about how joy shapes your brain, plus 40 joy-sparking ideas that cost nothing but mean everything. This isn't a checklist to get right. It's a guide to come home to yourself with clarity, care, and conscious choice. If you're curious to explore your own version of joy, you'll find the link to the guide in the description below. And remember, you don't have to feel joyful to begin. You just need a little willingness to listen in. Joy as GPS is a self-coaching tool designed to help you choose inner direction over outer pressure and lead from within. Joy as GPS is part of the Mastermindsz Academy, a growing ecosystem of guides, programs, tools, products, and experiences for multi-passionates who want to grow, design their own path, and live their best life. Stay inspired and in action with practical self-coaching tools, created in a way your brain actually loves. This is just one of several guides in the collection. More coming soon. Let joy be your inner compass and see what opens up when you follow it. You'll find the link in the description below.